Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a mug mockup in Photoshop. Select the quick selection tool to outline the mug area. Press L to switch the lasso tool. Press Ctrl J to copy the selection onto a new layer. Select the rectangular tool to create the design area. Right click and convert it into a smart object. Reduce the opacity. Press Ctrl T, then choose Wrap to adjust the design to the mug's shape. Now select Cylinder Wrap to curve the design naturally around the mug. Double-click the Smart Object thumbnail to open it in a new window. Drag and drop your design onto the Smart Object layer. Press Ctrl S to save the Smart Object and update it onto the mug. Press Alt and click between the layers. Now bring the opacity back to 100%. Change the blend mode to multiply. Go to blending options. Drag the underlying layer slider to the left to reveal natural highlights on the mug. Finally, click OK to apply the changes. That's it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials.